How to fix queued email not sending. Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I will guide you on how you can fix queued email not sending on your Gmail account. So to get started, let me tell you guys, it is because of your internet connection too. So check your internet connection if it is stable or not. Once it's done, it may be also because of full storage of your Gmail. Your Gmail account storage may become full. If it is so, just free up some space. And then if it still does not fix, then go ahead and open up your settings and go ahead and click on your apps and notification and select Gmail. Once you have done it, clear the cache of the Gmail and then you can restart your phone. Doing so will successfully help you fix your problem of queued email not sending on your Gmail account. So this is how it is easy and simple. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.